What's going on, guys? Parallaxox here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a ping command that shows your bot's ping to the server. It's pretty simple. So we just do message dot channel dot, if I can even spell channel right, channel dot send, and then these little apostrophes. Your ping is, and then we do date dot now, and then brackets minus message dot created timestamp, then outside these ms for milliseconds because that's what it's in. This basically, I'm guessing that you have a command handler or at least know how to add commands, but if you want me to do that, do a tutorial of that, make sure to leave it in the comments and I'll do it. So anyways, I need to restart my bot because I use it as my actual bot. And then if we just run this /ping, which is my prefix, and we do that, ping's 44 ms, and if you do it again, 48, it'll change based on it. So thanks for watching. Make sure to leave all your video idea comments in the comment section below, and I'll look at them and try to do them. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.